If you've ever taken a photo that looks just a little bit off, with a crooked horizon or a tilted building, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to straighten images in GIMP the easy way. This is a super useful editing skill, whether you're fixing travel photos, product shots, screenshots, or any image where the angle just doesn't look quite right. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few simple steps without needing any advanced editing experience. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into GIMP and get started. First, open the image you want to fix inside GIMP. Once your photo's loaded, go over to the toolbox and find the Measure tool. If you want a quick shortcut, you can press Shift and M on your keyboard to activate it instantly. This tool is going to help you draw a guideline along whatever part of the image should be level, like a horizon line, a sidewalk edge, a roof line, or any other straight reference point. Now, before you do that, take a look at the Tool Options panel. Here you'll see a setting called Clipping. This is important because it controls what happens to the edges of your image after you rotate it. If you want GIMP to automatically handle the background by cropping based on the rotated image, you can choose Crop with Aspect. If you want to manage the result a little differently, you can choose Adjust. The exact option you use depends on the image and the final look you want, but the key is to make sure you're using the setting that gives you the cleanest result for your photo. Once that's set, click and drag your line along the crooked edge in the image. Try to make the line match the part that should be perfectly horizontal or vertical. For example, if you're fixing a horizon, drag the line right along the waterline or skyline. If you're straightening a building, use a vertical edge instead. This step matters because GIMP uses that line as the reference for the rotation. After your line is in place, look back in the Tool Options panel and click the Straighten button. The moment you do that, GIMP will automatically rotate the layer so that your reference line becomes level. It's fast, accurate, and a huge time saver compared to trying to manually guess the angle. Now, you'll probably notice that straightening the image creates blank or empty space around the edges. That's completely normal, because when an image rotates, the corners no longer fit the canvas perfectly. To clean that up, go to the top menu, click Image, and then choose Crop to Content. This will trim away the empty areas and leave you with a clean, properly straightened image. At this point, your photo should look much more professional and balanced. If you want, you can also zoom in and double-check the edges to make sure everything looks right before exporting or saving your final version. And that's it. You've just learned how to straighten images in GIMP using the Measure tool, the Straighten button, and Crop to Content. It's one of those small edits that can make a huge difference in the final look of your images. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy GIMP editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.